So just recapping how we survived the weekend of 23. So yeah, it was cold.
It was, and you just had to give the house and a little more TLC, a little more attention. You had to pay a little more attention to the house than usual.
And I
listened to it a little bit.
I think you did too. Took the opportunity just to check out the sea smoke.
Oh yeah, I went down to the beach.
I was Saturday morning. I went up to Old Orchard, 6:30 Saturday morning, just to see it.
Yeah, it's really amazing.
Yeah, it was really pretty. It was freezing, but it was pretty.
It was. It was really surprising to me, like literally how quickly my fingertips went numb. I mean, I was wearing not thick gloves, but they were thin gloves because I was trying to operate my phone and everything. And I mean, it wasn't long. I mean, it was like 3 minutes, and I'm like, jeez, like I gotta pop back in the car, kind of thing. But that cold meant business. Thankfully, it was a quick hitting cold blast, and a lot of this week is going to be fine temperature-wise. That will be a back, burner topic now. We do have a little bit of snow falling through central and northern Maine. Looks like around Millinocket and on up to Hodgton and Holton area. So there could be some slick spots, I suppose. Our temperatures are fine in the mid-20s, exactly what you expect this time of the year. We do have a front off to our north and west. It's starting to fall apart, but it will successfully get a chillier air mass in here tonight and tomorrow. So while today will be a mild day, topping 40, tomorrow will not. Tomorrow's going to be on the coldish side, and another system works in tomorrow night with a little period of snow. It looks like about an inch or so. There's actually going to be a really big offshore storm. It's starting to form now, and it's going to swirl past us, kicking up the seas along our coastline for the next couple of days. This morning, some flakes up north, otherwise pretty quiet out there. Probably some frost on the windshield just because the ground got so cold and now it's a little milder, it's sweating a little bit. And you've got the normal winter cold out there. We'll have some filtered sun for you, and same thing during the middle of the day as that storm is pretty far offshore. No precip from it, but some little sections of clouds from it. And then in the afternoon and evening we'll be clearing out. A lot of you will see the nearly full snow moon rise. It's about 6 p.m. It was full last night, but it'll look really large still. The breeze is going to kick up this afternoon, so even though our temperatures reach some pretty decent levels, 40 or higher in many spots, and almost 10 degrees above average, it is going to feel a little brisk, especially when the sun isn't shining through those clouds. But 44, it's going to feel like 60 after the weekend. 39 in Bangor is going to feel real good too. Tomorrow, really nice with some sunshine. Tomorrow night, however, this will be passing through this little front with a period of generally light snow. And then Wednesday during the day is pretty nice. Thursday, clouds will increase. Next system moves in Thursday night into Friday. This one looks a little larger, but it won't have a ton of cold to work with. So we're looking at some mixed precipitation Thursday night into Friday. There may be another storm that forms on the front for the weekend, so we'll be keeping a close eye on that. So there's potential at the end of the week for something larger Friday or Saturday. But this is Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, around an inch in a lot of spots. A second inch is possible in a few. It's not a big deal though. Gale watches are up, seas 3 to 5 feet, north winds 15 to 25 knots. Partly sunny today, mild with high temperatures of 40 or even higher. Tonight's going to be pretty cold, dropping into the teens. Tomorrow near 30 with increasing clouds. And then we get that period of snow Tuesday night with around an inch of accumulation. Wednesday it melts with highs in the 40s again. And then we'll watch a couple of chances Thursday night into Friday morning and another one on Saturday for most likely mixed precipitation as temperatures are marginal at that point. But that's totally fine, right?
We talk a lot about perspective, right? And how, so you said the cold's going to be 16. It's like 30 degrees warmer than it was on Saturday. Right? Like, whatever, 16.
Whatever.
I'll put the window down at 16.
Exactly. I think for the rest of the winter, we can say whatever.
I mean, my gosh. All right. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.